Average weight of 3 men is increased by 4 kg when one of them whose weight is 100 kg is replaced by another man. What is the weight of new man? Here, this is replacement. 3 men average is increased by 4 kg when one of these 3 men with 100 kg weight is replaced by a new man. We don't know the weight of this new man, but this weight of this new man should be greater than 100 kg because here average increases by 4 when this replacement takes place. So this increment in this 4 average is for this 3 people. This plus 4 increment in this average is for this 3 people. So 4 into 3, 12 is the total increment in the sum of this 3 people when this replacement takes place. Which means this 12 plus 12 increment is because of this replacement. So this plus 12 is the left hand side difference. Which means 100 plus 12, 112 is the new man's weight. Option 4 is your answer.